what are some of the goals you've set, especially at the beginning of your career, and how have they kind of changed throughout?
Okay, so like I said, when I graduated college, I had plans to open my restaurant by like 25 years old. I wanted to have an international based restaurant in Bladensburg. However, I graduated, my money wasn't right. I have student loans, I'm in debt, and I just did not plan. Like I didn't plan it out at all. So when I started my catering company, that helped me to budget. It definitely helped me to learn how to budget. So I feel like with my catering company, I could learn more and then eventually get back into wanting to have a restaurant. Because I'm still a line cook, and being a line cook, you learn how to operate a restaurant, you learn how to be in one. So in my hotel, I went from the sports bar and now I'm going over to the brunch, like the brunch restaurant, and they're only open in the morning, but it's banquet style. So going from a line cook to banquet style, that's it's like it's a good thing for me because you're learning two different sides of a restaurant. And then that's going to basically help you having a restaurant that can do catering and it can do like regular short order things. So that's definitely the go for me.